This isn't the Camp Nou you remember. Steel beams, concrete towers, and cranes all over the place. It's looking more like a construction site than a stadium. But behind the chaos, something amazing is being built. There's a lot going on, and we're breaking down every part of it. The Camp Nou is being transformed into one of the most advanced stadiums in the world. But progress comes with challenges. If you've seen recent photos or drone shots, you know it's not just a renovation, it's a complete overhaul. From the upper metal framework to the underground parking maze, there's a huge amount of work happening every day. Let's break down what's really going on behind the scenes. Let's start with the most noticeable change, the massive steel structures rising above the stadium. If you look at the skyline, it's hard to miss. Diagonal beams are going up, and new vertical pillars are now standing tall. These are especially visible in the north and south goal areas, where most of the heavy steel action is taking place. The amount of metal being added is unbelievable, and it's not just for show. This structure is essential for supporting the upper levels of the new Camp Nou. It's part of a new vertical phase of the build. You can really feel the shift. Construction teams are now working at a faster pace, especially on the first VIP ring. Concrete is being poured regularly, and the site is packed with lifting platforms to get materials where they need to go. Just watching it happen is impressive. They've also started adding small cantilevered beams. These will support the second ring of seats. That means we're seeing the bones of future seating areas take shape right now. Formwork panels, basically the molds for concrete walls, are going in place as well. Every piece adds to the stadium's new shape. It's like a giant puzzle, and each day more pieces are added. Inside the stadium, there's even more to see. It's starting to look like a real home for football again. The iconic red seats are coming back, fast. Especially in the corners and VIP areas, rows of seats are being installed and aligned. That familiar look of Camp Nou is slowly returning, but that's not all. There's a new twist. Black seats are being added in the lower levels. These seats stand out and are likely meant for premium or media areas. Some are still wrapped in plastic, probably saved for that perfect game day moment. It's clear they want everything to look perfect when it's finally time to open the doors. Around the Tribune sections, waterproofing work is going strong. This helps protect the stadium from rain damage and keeps the structure solid for years to come. Cables in the press area are being reconnected as well. Bit by bit, the stadium's systems are coming back online. And what about the pitch? The grass, the heart of any football stadium, isn't there yet. But don't worry, that's planned for later. Right now, the focus is on everything around it. The infrastructure, like drainage, cables, and support lines, is being locked in tight. Every day it gets a little closer to being match ready. Now let's talk about one of the most complicated and eye-catching parts of this rebuild. The corner diamonds. These angular structures sit in the corners of the stadium and are growing fast, especially the one near the Cross of Hearts. That's been one of the trickiest areas to build. These corners have needed a ton of attention. They require high-reaching pillars, detailed formwork for concrete shaping, and non-stop changes. The construction teams are constantly adjusting plans on the fly. It's not easy, but it's starting to come together. Right below these corner sections is another major challenge. Parking structure. From a distance, it might look clean and organized, but up close, it's a maze of wood planks, steel rods, and thick cable lines running everywhere. Still, a lot of digging, moving, and shaping to be done. But don't worry, progress is happening. They've already started forming the stairs and walkways you'll one day use to get to your seats. Some of the top-level access routes are almost done. In fact, in some spots, the stairs are already in place. The second tier is starting to take shape too. You can really see the progress when you walk through the upper areas. Welding crews are all over the place right now, especially in the corners. That work is delicate and detailed. In tight spaces, every weld matters. A mistake can slow everything down, so they're working with extreme focus. So where do things stand now? The first VIP ring is nearly finished. That's a big milestone. The seats are being installed, the walls are going up, and internal systems are coming together. But the pitch still needs time. No grass yet, but everything around it is getting... The corner diamonds are growing rapidly. They're tricky, but builders are pushing through. Internal paths and stairs are opening up. Bit by bit, the stadium is starting to function again. Not just in terms of shape, but in usability. The whole site looks busier, denser, and taller than ever. Every day brings something new. A beam installed, a seat fitted, a stair finished. But with a project this size, it won't all be smooth. Delays can happen. Surprises can show up. And even the best plans sometimes have to change. Still, what's happening right now is incredible. The new Camp Nou isn't just a makeover, it's a reinvention of one of football's most historic stadiums. A place that holds so much history is now stepping into the future. This rebuild is about more than just concrete and steel. It's about creating a place where history and modern design come together. A place where fans can cheer, players can shine, and memories can be made all over again. Watching the pieces come together day by day is amazing, and even though there are still hurdles ahead, you can feel that we're getting closer. From the steel towers to the VIP rings to the tricky corners and the future pitch, everything is starting to take shape. This isn't just a construction update, it's the story of something being rebuilt with care, passion, and massive effort. When the stadium finally opens again, it's going to be something truly special. If you want to keep up with every beam, screw, and seat being installed, hit that subscribe button. We're tracking every update, every corner, and every milestone. You won't want to miss the next big moment in the Camp Nou's transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to Giga Structures, where architecture transforms into art and mega projects reshape our world. Discover billion-dollar stadiums, next-gen arenas, and the genius behind record-breaking structures every single week. Your subscription isn't just a click. It fuels the journey, supports the research, and keeps this content alive. Subscribe now and become a part of the Giga Structures community, where fans of mega engineering stay inspired.